Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a language model in Higgsfield AI. So, depending on whether you want to generate an image or a video or whatever it is, you can select it, and then in order to change a language model, you will be able to generate whatever you want. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, that I want to generate an image. And right here, you'll have the box where you can type your prompt. Then on the lower left, you can see that I'm currently having Nano Banana selected, but if I click on it, I have a bunch of different models that I can choose from. So let's say I don't want to use Nano Banana right there, but I want to use Cling or Flux. I can choose whichever. And as you can see, it's selected and I can type my prompt and then hit generate. And that's it. Depending on whichever language model you use, those will have different amount of credits that will be taken. So for example, I change it to character swap, takes 2 credits, right? I have Xfeel Soul, this take 2 credits, right? I have ChatGPT 1.5, that may be 2 credits. And depending on whatever it is that you want, for example, I just change this to Reef, it takes 1 credit. And so that's it. That's why you can easily change your language model on Xfeel AI.